It is 13 minutes, well, between 13 and 14 minutes until 7 o'clock on this Tuesday morning. And if you've seen more orange barrels and road crews out lately, you are not imagining it. Summer is prime time for road construction across central Georgia.
That's right. Freya Brar is joining us in studio this morning, and she's explaining why warmer weather brings a surge in road repairs and how it's helping crews work safer and more efficiently. Good morning, Freya.
Good morning. Now, while the heat may slow us down, it actually helps speed up road work. We spoke with the Georgia Department of Transportation, who says summer creates the perfect window for major construction. You may notice more road work popping up this time of year, and that's no coincidence. We see more road construction and maintenance during the warmer months because
temperatures are higher, there's extended daylight hours, and the reduced likelihood of weather-related delays such as snow or freezing conditions, obviously, or even rain.
Even though Georgia's in hurricane season, Gina Snyder from the State Department of Transportation says winter weather actually causes more restrictions on road projects.
The asphalt doesn't cure as quickly as it does in warmer weather.
In summer, the longer days and dry conditions create prime working hours, making it safer and more efficient for crews.
It's much safer to do projects in the daylight hours. And then we don't have schools that are in session. So that really curtails a lot of the traffic around certain areas too, without the school traffic.
Less traffic, less disruption, and more time to get the job done. That's why you'll see crews out during the summer, from bridge work to resurfacing to vegetation maintenance.
Except for during like certain peak weekends like July 4th or maybe Memorial Day that kicks off the summer. Except during those weekends, we have lane restrictions anyway. But during most of the summer, we want less traffic on the roads, less drivers. That helps with our work zones as well. But mostly it's because of the warmer temps that we see a lot of construction going on.
GDOT says while summer is the busiest season for road work, crews are still at the mercy of Georgia weather and drivers. Storms or extreme heat can still cause delays, but overall, it's the best time to keep projects moving. And it's especially important for you and everyone else on the road to be alert in those work zones. Megan, Raymond.
All right, well, you do have a break when it comes to one big central Georgia road project. GDOT says that the planned 6-month closure in the Spring Street exit from I-75 south in Macon is now delayed. We told you last month that exit was expected to close yesterday. But for now, the contractor says another critical work project was delayed, which means that the closure is now postponed itself until further notice. It is all part of that $600 million project designed to ease traffic. Now, when this part of the project does start, it will widen roads and rebuild some bridges. But for now, that new start date is unknown.
And when you hit the road for the 4th of July weekend, here's what you can expect. Gas prices in our area are down. They're the lowest since 2021. Gas Buddy says that the prices are down over 50 cents since last year. Economists advise checking how prices shift from different times of the day or different parts of the week even. And when searching for nearby savings, technology is one of your best tools. Several apps, including apps like Gas Buddy, can tell you where the prices are the cheapest in our area.